more Hermes bags unboxing. I know what's going on here. How to get bags online. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy. If you haven't seen my most recent bag unboxing, I'm gonna link it up here. Basically, I finally received my quota bag. I've waited over 2 years actually, which is very rough, and a lot of you know that in Canada, not only do we only get offered one quota bag a year, we even have a hard time getting non-quota bags. Our store, because it's so competitive, you even have to pre-spend for non-quota bags. I don't really agree with it because technically you can get non-quota bags online. It's not easy. They're very few and far in between, but there's actually more than I thought. I stalk the website enough times. When I say stalk, I just mean refresh. I just refresh the page. I leave it on my browser. And especially the Canadian site, they're such a tease. They'll put all these bags with prices, but they're never available. So anyway, let me share or reveal what this bag is. I know you guys are like, just show us the bag already. But I literally have a trick on how to get bags online now, because this is not the first one I got. Literally, it's insane ever since I started using this service. Which, like I said, I'll tell you about it. Let's just unboxing, okay? Let's just unbox it because I know you guys are just trying to see what this bag is. And if there's any indication, whatever I wear is always a sign, a clue as to what it could be. So once again, I didn't get this bag from my essay. I actually got it online. I can put a clip of me taking out the whole shipping box and everything. But based on the size of the bag or the shape of the bag, this bag, I'm sure you guys can sort of tell. When I saw this color, I just couldn't resist to reveal. This is the mini Evelyne, otherwise known as Evelyne TPM, Très Petit Modèle. It's usually worn this way, but I know a lot of you guys are more familiar with this size, which is the logo side. This side is actually the back side, but I saw it in the Rose Sakura and I was just like, oh my gosh, I've been wanting, doesn't mean I should, but I've been wanting something just like pink for some reason. I've really been into pink this summer. I bought this pink jacket, I bought another pink Lululemon jacket, and I just have been loving wearing pinks. I even bought some pink sneakers. Maybe I'm just in pre-vacation mode because I'm already like I said, I keep saying that, I'm pre-planning my outfits for my big vacation next year. And this is one of those bags that I thought would come in handy. Because why? I never thought I would buy a mini Evelyne because I've always said in the past, I thought it looked cheap, but that's because I didn't like the strap. The bag itself, I don't mind it as much, but I actually detest the strap. Cotton, whatever material it is, apparently it pills. I mean, you have to use the strap though, so I'll show you another strap that I got instead. Although this is not going to be an everyday bag because it's very light color, but I'm not always going to be wearing my mini Kellys because I like my small bags. I like comfortable bags. Mini Kellys are just too restrictive. I love them. I have a mini bolide as well, but they're all black. I don't have a fresh color. So I thought this was the nicest, sort of like the nicest combo that I would get in a bag that is inexpensive, or at least one of the cheapest bags you can get from Hermes, if not the actual cheapest. So let me tell you how I got it. I got this one online. So this one, I was really sort of like literally my random stalking of the website one day, and I saw it. I was like, these are the new Rodeo. So I just added to cart and I just checked out. And luckily, oh, it actually even goes together. That's adorable. That was quite lucky. I was able to add it to cart, pay for it, check out, they shipped it, and I received it. But with bags, it's another story. I have bought bags online, I have attempted to buy bags online before, and every time I would, even if I were to be able to add it to cart, once I try to check out, it would already be sold out or there's an error or something. So with bags, it's a different story. They normally, if they have any stock, there will be like one. And when someone buys it, it's gone. So the stock of bags are really, really elusive. I started researching on all the new rodeos that came out, and I started looking at colors and just doing a lot of Google imaging search. Somehow I came across one of the pictures of this one on this website called Shang Show, and I realized that they are an Hermes online bag drop alert website. They're basically always monitoring any new arrivals on the official website globally. Whenever a new item that is on your wish list becomes available, they'll send you a real-time email alert so that you can act right away and add it to cart and pay for it. And that's how I was able to get 3 bags so far just for signing up to this service, and it's only been 2 weeks. And like I said, Canada doesn't even get that much stock because for the first whole week, all they had was like rodeos and just like wallets. Actually, Constance to go, Kelly to go, a lot of you I know are still waiting to get one of those. Once I signed up to this service, I was able to see that they actually, even in Canada, they actually have way more drops than I thought, because not only will you get live notifications of each time they drop anything that is on your wish list, you can also filter and see all the drops in the past of a specific bag. It doesn't even have to be for bags. You can track rodeos, the toiletry pouch. That's something that I've been able to not do anymore, which is to constantly refresh my browser. I just wait till I get a notification on my phone, which is whenever they get a bag drop, usually in the mornings actually, sometimes in the afternoon, sometimes even on the weekends, which is why I said even though Canada's stock is very sparse, I was really surprised to learn, just because I can see all the history of everything that has dropped so far. There's way more than I thought. I mean, $25 is really worth it. You can also sign up annually, but if you just want to try it out for a month, it's 25 bucks, and you can save $5 if you enter the code AMY5. It's so worth it because honestly, every time I just go to Hermes, I have to pay 20 bucks for parking anyway. And even if you're not interested in signing up to their service yet, you can try it out for 7 days free. Just follow their Instagram account and request for a free trial. You guys know how my journey is. It's pretty rough. I mean, it's still average for Canada, but it's still pretty rough. And I try to not ask for non-quota bags because I know they will delay my quota bags and they still somehow make you pre-spend for them. I know firsthand how hard the journey is, and especially if you're just after the non-quota bags, this is one of the best ways. They are available. You just have to be the first to get to them, and it's really hard to be the first to get to them if you don't know when they're launching. So when you get notified in real time, you have way better chances of getting them. Versus just randomly doing it. Which strap do I recommend instead of the original? I mean, of course you can use the original, but I just don't really like it, especially mine is in such a light color. It will pill and it will get color transfer, so I don't want that. This is actually a strap kit for the new Neo Garden Party 23. That's why it has these clips to hold on to the snap closures. We're not gonna use those, but we are going to use the strap because when I saw this color, I was like, this is perfect for my bag. The original Hermes strap, and this is the Emerald strap. The leather piece is really well sewn, and the canvas part is nice and thick. Original Hermes one is so long. Like I said, this strap is not originally for this bag, but I saw it and I thought it was the perfect match. I will link it down below. You can also use code FA10 to save 10% at checkout on anything at Hermes. They are a Canadian company, local business, which is why I love supporting them. I also wanted to show you another option. That's how it looks like. I love that it's leather on leather. It looks more cohesive. Again, the color is not an exact match with my bag currently because they're still expanding the colors. but just to get something in the meantime, it's actually good enough. Doesn't have to match exactly if you're just casually wearing on a trip. And of course, if you were to wear it the proper way, you would wear it this way. How the white one looks like, it still really matches, especially if you're wearing white and pink together. There's 2 settings, so you can make it even longer than this, but that's long enough for me. So that's the white one. And that's, oh, I actually like the white one a lot. That's how it looks like. This is the perfect height, like just at my waist. And it also looks cuter as a shoulder bag. I'll link it below, and again, use code FA10 or FashionablyAMY10 to save 10% at checkout. And the color is not what I normally go for, but I figured since it's one of the more affordable bags, and I do think this color is lovely, okay? I don't hate pink. I just don't buy a lot of pink because it's not the most practical color to buy. But I don't know. Yeah, anyway, I'll find out because that's the whole point of buying the bag. I will ask you back, so I know a lot of you own this bag, how you make use of this bag, how you like it, how you dislike it. What are the use cases, basically? Then that's gonna also help me out. But one thing is for sure, not only the strap, but I know I need an organizer for this because it's an unlined bag and it has no structure. So of course I went ahead with my trusted Zumoni. I always choose the thinnest material, 1.2 millimeter, for anybody asking. So I went ahead and got this one, which is also, again, another new color. This is their silver color. It looks more like white, but I guess it does have a silver undertone. So really pretty. The interior is a raw cowhide. Evelyne's are always in Clémence, which is a soft leather. It's a beautiful grained, natural grain leather, but it's still a very soft leather that does lose its shape over time. So that's why it's quite important by adding an organizer. So that's how it looks like. That's what I also like about the Evelyne, is that even though it is very tiny, it does still fit a full-size phone, card holder, and key holders. And I'm also going to add my car keys, and of course all that will fit. There's still a little bit of space on top, so it just goes to show that it's a mini bag, but it's still okay, roomy. Play around with the size, the Tetris inside, but that's how it looks like with the organizer, which again, I would recommend one for this bag because Clémence is very soft. I always keep one in my picotin at all times. Another option, if you don't like a full organizer, I always love giving you guys options, is to add, they make base shapers for all the bags that they have on their site. You see? So not only does the base shaper add kind of like structure on the bottom, but it also gives it a little bit of protection. You can use code FashionablyAMY to save 20% at checkout for Zumoni. What do you guys think of this bag? I want your feedback. I am completely new to the Evelyne. I tried it in Hong Kong when I was at Coco Approved in Hong Kong, so I tried it in a consignment store. I also tried the Neo Evelyne TPM, the one with the leather strap. It was very stiff leather strap, and the bag itself was canvas with leather trimming. I tried that one in store in Hong Kong. I know you guys love this color, but for me, what do you think of this bag? Do you think I'm gonna end up loving it, hating it? Either way, I'm gonna find out. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I'm gonna unbox next, because yeah, there's more coming. But yeah, this is the reveal today. It's nice. I like it. Pink suits me. I just don't wear it very often. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.